joining us tonight on the first News Hour debate, Sanjay Jha, spokesperson of the Congress. Also joining us, Yatin Oza, senior advocate of the Gujarat High Court and also a BJP leader. Meenakshi Lekhi, national spokesperson of the BJP, is also joining us. Kamal Farooqi, political analyst. Ajay Bose, senior journalist, is joining us. And Shahid Siddiqui, chief editor of Nai Dunya, also joining us, as is the Samajwadi Party's Ravidas Mehrotra and Dr. Madhu Gupta, national secretary and MLC of the SP as well. Now, first up, Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi, we must come to you because there are serious allegations being made by the BJP. Nirmala Sitharaman has said that there is an undeclared understanding between the Samajwadi Party and the district administration. First up, at the outset, what proof does the BJP have of any of these allegations that they're making?
The mannerism in which the whole business is being conducted, the business which is being conducted needs to be seen in the light of the fact that similar area where permission application has been made much in advance and the same is declined and denied, to other party the same permission is granted. And it quite clearly appears, since the local administration who's to be posted where before the election and definitely decides where a person is going to be posted during the election, lies with the SP government, because the local administration was with them before the election, and it is people of their choice who have been placed in the key positions, and it is acting through those people which is coming apparent and which is as transparent as it can be, and the list of events is showing exactly that.
But Ms. Lekhi, even as you say that, at the same time other parties are being granted clearance and, given the permission, the fact is that it's not really the case. Rahul Gandhi's roadshow getting the green signal, yes, but that is for the 10th of May. And the specific issue regarding Varanasi tomorrow, of course, from the district administration side, what they've put forth is that the venue has already been blocked earlier. It's not that, at the same time and same venue, one party is getting the permission and the other one is not.
No, I have a very simple question, that if 10th is blocked and if a particular program is handed over to them, which is that NGO? Have they disclosed that? And what is the program of the NGO? And this is not the first time. This kind of sabotage I have seen even during my own elections. And I'm pretty aware of the manner in which such things happen. But of course, that the sabotage was not through the Election Commission. There was a different kind of sabotage which was going on. But in this case, since it is the administration which is making such declarations and blocking and trying to evade the responsibility and not granting requisite permissions. And if it is for 10th, they could have very well much in advance said that, okay, the venue is not available for 8, but we'll give it to you for 9.
Meenakshi Lekhi.
Or morning is not possible, evening we'll give you. Evening is not possible, we'll give you the morning. I mean,
Meenakshi Lekhi, for all these claims, here's also the counter, and I'm going to put this across to Yatin Oza also. Why is it that the permissions or the applications have been withdrawn now? Is it because that the requests look like they would be acceded to, or they would be considered, the permissions would be granted, and then this entire dharna route, this entire protest route that's now been adopted will fizzle out?
No, absolutely not. I'll put it differently.
Meenakshi Lekhi, I'm just going to get Yatin Oza in and then I'll come back to you.
Clear.
Yes, Yatin Oza.
Absolutely not, and I am in agreement with, complete agreement with what Meenakshi said. I mean, it appears that administration, UP administration, has possibly thought that Article 19 doesn't stand in the Constitution. Meenakshi is absolutely right. Nobody has blocked the venue for the entire day. You could have told us that no, have it this time or that or the other time.
No, you're deviating from the question. My question is, why withdraw the applications now?
Depression.
Yatin Oza, why withdraw the applications now? Because towards the evening, the sentiment was that your request would be granted. And then tomorrow's protest plans outside the Banaras Hindu University campus, all that would fizzle out.
No, we will take this matter to the people's court. We are not going to sit silent. Such brutal actions, shameful in democracy, cannot be countenanced even for a second. You are permitting road show on 10th. and you are declining a prime ministerial candidate only because
Again, you are
have a
avoiding the
fear
question,
that
Mr.
his
Oza.
rally in Banaras is not only going
Can
to
I
affect
answer?
Banaras but 10 to 12 other seats in UP as well as Bihar, that you are adhering to such unconstitutional illegal methods.
You are again avoiding the question that I asked you,
And
Mr.
we are
Oza. Yes,
definitely
Meenakshi
taking
Lekhi.
it to
May I answer?
Yes, Meenakshi Lekhi.
You see, I have a very simple point to make. Now, a person like Mr. Modi is much required across the country and all the seats where the election is still to be held. And if a particular permission and a particular schedule was prepared for Varanasi and that has been declined, his schedule will change for another place immediately, and we are not going to await till eternity for them to give us a permission or not to give us a permission or announce it one day or 1 hour before. We need to tidy up
Okay.
our programs so his schedule and his programs will move on, number one. Number two, in the meantime, how a particular government or how a particular system is operating, I am within my legal and constitutional rights to make that an election issue. And if I choose to do that, others can't cry hoarse over this, because even that is as relevant to send the signals and message as it is required in any democratic setup.
Okay, I know Sanjay Jha wants to say something, and we'll come to you, Mr.
Meenakshi,
Jha.
we'll
But
take it to the
let's go across. Let's go
Meenakshi,
across to the
we will take it to
Samajwadi
the public
Party
domain.
first, because the allegations
take it to the
are against the Samajwadi Party.
court of
So,
people.
Dr. Madhu Gupta, the allegation is that the state administration is working on some sort of
one
undeclared
minute,
understanding
it
and
is not
putting this
against
roadblock
Samajwadi
in
Party
front of
alone.
Narendra Modi to
Our
try and stop him
allegations are
in
against
Varanasi. What is the
Samajwadi
Samajwadi's
Party,
response to that?
Congress, BSP, everybody.
It's absolutely a false allegation. See, first of all, let me tell you, the BJP does not believe in democratic setup. The BJP doesn't believe in the secular government. They don't trust even the election commission. And they now have started accusing the returning officer, the administration. They must realize that when it was the beginning of the election in Varanasi, it was put a blanket cover to have any event on the Ganga Ghat. So it's not a partiality with them. They have to
No,
have
but it's
some
not
issue,
just about the Ganga
to
Ghat. There
divide
are three
people
events that we're
to-
talking about.
for the
There's a rally,
communalism.
there's a puja on the Ganga Ghat that you're talking about,
See,
and there
the
was to be one meeting with certain citizens inside a hotel. The permission was not granted for all three. And you know, the fact is, according to the ADM of the city, according to the ADM of the city, it's the local police station and local intelligence unit reports which were awaited, which is why the procedure could not be followed. Now, these two units come under the state government. So why are those reports still awaited? Why could they not come forth with the reports that the ADM says are still awaited?
Administration looks at the law. Administration looks at the law and order, safety and security. When they would find the LIU report and they will find it's not advisable, they will give the
Where
right
is the
opinion. They would decide of their own.
Madam, where is the report?
They would decide of their own.
Madam, where is the report?
See, they must have assessed it. See,
Dr. Madhu
they
Gupta,
must
where
have
is the
assessed.
report?
Without assessing, they wouldn't have said.
Because
No,
you're...
I haven't got the report with
No,
me, but obviously...
just like Tina
obviously
said, the
they have
ADM
assessed
himself has
it.
said that the report is awaited.
Sound.
Tina just said the ADM himself, and she's quoted the ADM, that the report is still awaited.
You also know that
So
what
there is
you
no
are saying
report,
is not right.
but there is a
But the
threat perception and a security issue.
Administration
Then that's what your voice
let me
lacks
tell you,
completely
the
in confidence.
administration is free to decide where the law and order can be maintained, where the safety and security for the public
But
is
Dr.
there,
Madhu Gupta,
rather
there has to
than
be a
just
basis for it.
giving them anyone permission.
What is the basis? What is the basis for this
They must have
decision?
No,
What is the basis? Is there a sound basis or is it just a tacit understanding?
See, when they decide, when
And
they
go
give the
to the party
permission,
office
the
to meet
permission
the
to any
workers.
party,
And I'm
because
sure they can't
Samajwadi
hold
Party
input from
doesn't do any partiality with anyone. Once they take a decision, it may be any party. They would decide whatever is the right thing to do. I mean, not specifically for BJP. BJP can think in that term because they believe in communalism. They believe that
Let
some
me
or other
clarify
confusion
one
should
point
happen.
to
It's their basically
Mr.
their
Gupta.
nervousness is basically their frustration.
Dr. Gupta, just hold on. I think Yatin Oza and Meenakshi Lekhi have a counter. Meenakshi Lekhi first.
Want to make a point. See, the point is very simple. If this is the manner in which administration is going to run its business in collusion and against the law of the land, Mr. Modi is going to land tomorrow at the BHU helipad and go and meet the party workers at the party office, election office. And from there, he will go to the airport. We'll see how that can be stalled.
Mr. Ravidas Mehrotra, would you like to
No,
come in
that
here? You know, we're
apart,
talking.
Meenakshi,
बात ये हो रही है कि
apart,
समाजवादी
Meenakshi,
पार्टी is working on some
But the one thing
undeclared
is certain.
understanding and
One
you know
thing is
with
certain.
the state
That the-
administration.
that the
Mr. Ravidas
version
Mehrotra,
by-
your take on that also?
version by
Yatin Oza, please wait. We'll come to you. We will come to you. Please wait. We'll come to you.
accepted by the citizens of this country.
Yatin Oza,
हम
please
लोग
wait.
जो
We'll come
है
to you.
पूर्ण रूप से
Yes, Mr.
डेमोक्रेसी
Mehrotra.
विश्वास रखते हैं और किसी भी कीमत में जो बीजेपी का आरोप है ये पूरा एलिगेशन फॉल्स है। हम लोगों ने कोई भी प्रदेश की सरकार ने या हमारी पार्टी की सरकार ने कहीं पर भी कल कार्यक्रम के या रैली पे रोक लगाने के लिए कोई निर्देश या कोई कार्रवाई नहीं करी है। ये वहां का जो अधिकारी हैं, आरओ हैं, इलेक्शन अफसर हैं, उनका अपना फैसला है। हम लोगों का विश्वास है डेमोक्रेसी में कि हर व्यक्ति को अपनी बात कहने का अधिकार है। जनता फैसला करेगी कि किसकी बात सही है, किसकी
मेहरोत्रा
बात गलत
जी,
है।
उस बात का
लेकिन
कोई
हम
आधार
कभी
होना
भी-
चाहिए ना। देयर
हम
हैज टू
लोग
बी अ
कभी भी-
बेसिस। इसका आधार क्या है? 20,000 सिक्योरिटी पर्सनल वाराणसी में है, वर्चुअल गैरिसन बना दिया गया है उसको, और फिर भी आप कह रहे हैं थ्रेट परसेप्शन है जिसकी कोई ऑफिशियल रिपोर्ट नहीं है।
बात सुनिए,
नहीं तो किस आधार पे ये डिसीजन लिया गया है? और समाजवादी पार्टी रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर की हिमायत क्यों कर रही है?
या कानून व्यवस्था में कोई
देखिए
श्रद्धा नहीं
जो
है।
वहां पर अधिकारी हैं, जिन लोगों ने ये फैसला
आप
किया
देखिए,
है,
2 साल में
उनसे आप
आपने
पूछ
यूपी
सकते हैं
को
रिपोर्ट
जंगल
कौन सी
राज
आई
बना
है।
दिया।
मुझको
और
मालूम
आप
ये है
कायदा और व्यवस्था की बात
आईबी की
करते हैं।
रिपोर्ट आई है।
कानून
और
की बात करते
जो
हैं,
इलेक्शन
2
अफसर
साल में
हैं,
यूपी
वो
जंगल
चुनाव
राज
आयोग-
कहां है वो आईबी की
चुनाव
रिपोर्ट?
आयोग है।
वहां तो कह रहे हैं कि लोकल इन्वेस्टिगेटिव यूनिट की रिपोर्ट है, वो भी मौजूद नहीं है। वो भी मौजूद नहीं है। देयर इज नो रिपोर्ट। व्हाट रिपोर्ट आर यू साइटिंग? शो अस द रिपोर्ट। देयर इज नो रिपोर्ट।
एक बात सुनिए,
ILU की
नहीं,
कोई
आपको
रिपोर्ट
दिखा
नहीं
दे।
है।
उत्तर प्रदेश की
टाइम्स नाउ को
सरकार
दिखा दे।
ने मोदी
आपको
के
दिखा
किसी
दे वो
कार्यक्रम
रिपोर्ट।
के ऊपर रोक लगाने के लिए कोई निर्देश या कार्रवाई नहीं करी है। वहां के लोकल अधिकारी हैं, आरओ हैं, इलेक्शन अफसर हैं, चुनाव के अधिकारी हैं, उन लोगों का ये फैसला है और इस संबंध में जो उनका फैसला है।
हाउ हैव दे अराइव्ड एट द डिसीजन?
मेहरोत्रा जी ये भी कहा जा रहा है कि जब मोदी जी ने अपना नॉमिनेशन फाइल किया था, वो जो 2 लाख लोग देखे गए थे, वो जो मोदी लहर देखी गई थी, उसको देख के अब थोड़ी यूपी की सरकार डर गई है और उस वजह से ये अड़ंगा लगाया जा रहा है। उसको आप क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए ना कोई डरने की बात है और हम लोग मुकाबला कर रहे हैं। हमको एक बात कहनी है बनारस के लोगों से कि चिरागों की हिफाजत उन्हें सौंपी गई तो रोशनी के शहर में सिर्फ धुआं रह जाएगा। तो जो लोग नफरत की राजनीति कर रहे हैं, जो लोग चाहते हैं कि
आप
लाशों की
एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव
ढेर
मामले
करें,
को
देखिए
ये राजनीतिक ये कलर मत दीजिएगा, पॉलिटिकल कलर मत दीजिए। मैं आपसे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूं।
देखिए,
सवाल ये है कि शासकीय क्वेश्चन, ये प्रश्न है आपका कि ये डिसीजन किस बेसिस पे लिया गया है? That is what the BJP is irked about. Yes, Yatin Oza, you've been wanting to make a point for some time. Go ahead, please.
ये डिसीजन जो है वो इलेक्शन कमीशन,
Look,
चुनाव आयोग, चुनाव
These are
अधिकारी,
all-
इन
this
लोगों
is
का
all a
फैसला है।
story of
प्रदेश
cock
की
and bull.
सरकार ने
This
वो कार्यक्रम पे रोक लगाने के लिए
story
कोई
nobody in
निर्देश
the
या कोई
country would
कार्रवाई नहीं
accept,
करी है।
and there is
इस
absolutely
समय-
no
इस समय
confidence in what he
प्रशासन जो है,
says because he knows what he says is
प्रशासन
wrong.
चुनाव आयोग के
Secondly,
अंदर में है।
he has made himself a laughing
आयोग के
stock
अंदर
by
में
saying
प्रशासन जो है,
that we believe in law and
उसका
order.
फैसला है।
What
हम लोग-
UP was before Akhilesh Yadav regime and what UP is today after Akhilesh Yadav's regime, everybody in the country has seen. UP is a state where Gunda Raj prevails, highest number of crimes in general, highest number of crimes against women, highest number of crimes against weaker sections of the society. UP has become completely lawless. And when Akhilesh Yadav came to Gujarat, Honorable the Chief
Can we
Minister
come
of
back to the
Uttar
issue?
Pradesh,
Can we come
Gujarat
back to the
government
issue, Yatin Oza?
extended him
Can we come back to the issue?
fullest support. He was permitted
Okay,
to go
Mr.
anywhere in
Mehrotra
Gujarat
and Yatin
that
Oza,
he
please
liked.
wait.
But
I'm
he
going to
never
go
used
across to
such
Sanjay
type
Jha of the Congress,
tactics.
who's been sitting and smiling and giving us that smile right through the first 10 minutes of this debate. What is the Congress's position? Are you also batting with the Samajwadi Party and the BSP in trying to block Narendra Modi and the BJP? That's the allegation that's being made. Because you seem to be gloating over the permission Rahul Gandhi's roadshow has got, but don't have a position about what is happening as far as the BJP rallies are concerned.
It's a joint decision.
Anand, if somebody doesn't interrupt me, I'll tell you, it's a theater of the absurd. The BJP is so politically desperate that if you saw the very orchestrated, publicity campaign that Mr. Jaitley and Mr. Amit Shah did today, tomorrow's plans are being announced. They are victims. Mr. Modi is a martyr. They are facing so much of heat at this moment of time. They want to encash on any opportunity to make political capital. It is such a sad day for Indian democracy, Anand, that today you have the BJP actually talking of conspiracy theories against the Election Commission of India, a constitutional authority.
We had the Congress on the, harping similar lines a few days ago, Sanjay Jha. So, but all parties are doing it.
Daylight. And 1 minute. And this by a party, no 1 minute. This by a party whose prime ministerial candidate has threatened the Election Commission, saying that I will look into your affairs in the, God forbid that will never happen, in the event that he gets a chance to form a government. Worse, he even challenged the Election Commission to file an FIR against him. So this party has absolutely no locus, stand-by.
No, but Mr. Sanjay Jha, the question is the Samajwadi Party tacitly helping you? That is the question. And before you answer that, just a couple of things. One, let's talk about the kind of rallying or the kind of political campaigning that we have seen from both the Samajwadi Party and the BSP in Varanasi. Let me just bring some numbers up. The BSP and the SP together have taken permission for just 24 rallies total together between the two of them in Varanasi, compared to the Congress's 29, the BJP's 119 and the Aam Aadmi Party's 182. I mean, is the BSP and the SP not going soft in Varanasi to try and help and sort of come together with the Congress to try and stop Narendra Modi?
Well, let me tell you, Mr. Modi has been campaigning not just in Uttar Pradesh but all over India. Why is it that suddenly, as we enter the last phase of the election, suddenly Election Commission has become so hostile? The entire state government machinery is working hand in glove to stop Mr. Modi. Read into the message, ladies and gentlemen.
So
Mr. Modi
that
and
the Congress, Congress, SP and BSP have shaken hands. That's the message that the BJP is reading.
An imminent demise. They are seeing an imminent demise.
Sanjay Jha, that's the message that the BJP is reading. Is that right?
Why has Mr. Jaitley suddenly withdrawn the application? I just read about it before your program started. Why?
Yes, but Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi has already answered that, Sanjay Jha.
Commission response to whatever their complaint.
Meenakshi Lekhi wants to come in.
I think Meenakshi has answered that. Meenakshi has in extenso answered that.
Yes, Ms.
Well,
Lekhi.
let me tell you that answer is so
apparent. And what is apparent is
because
in
finally
Amethi,
Mr. Modi is going to Varanasi.
they will not
Sanjay
be
Jha,
a candidate.
She's announcing
They will not
his program,
campaign.
the helipad,
In any case,
Sanjay Jha, just hold on. Meenakshi Lekhi giving you a strong answer now.
Absolutely. We are not going to wait for you to take a call or make decisions for us. When we have made an application and you are there to sabotage those programs, we are not going to allow you to do that and run all over us. And you can't stop our leader from meeting the people and approaching the people. You can't stop him from walking on the road. I mean, I would just say that if he decides to walk, imagine what will happen. And what will be the message? If he decides to just travel from the helipad to the BJP office and to the airport, can you stop him from doing that? That's the simple question. And if you can't
the
stop
question
him,
there,
we
I
will
think
make
Ajay Bose.
that our political
BJP,
program.
This is a political
and if you
stunt.
choose,
This is nothing but a political stunt.
Why did you give us an opportunity to have a political stunt? Why did you not give the permission and allow us to have our political program?
Meenakshi, do you have any respect for the Election Commission?
Is
Does your
working
party have any
with
respect for the Election
Of
Commission?
course, I have respect. I have
Well-
respect, and that's why I've written to the Election Commission.
Sanjay Jha
I've
and
written
Meenakshi
to the
Lekhi,
Election Commission
please wait.
and
I think
telling the
Ajay
National
Bose
Election
wants to make a point.
Election Commission
I'll
is
request
working
Sanjay
with
Jha and Meenakshi Lekhi to please wait on. Yes, Ajay Bose. Yes, Ajay Bose.
No, Anand.
Sanjay, just wait. Sanjay, please wait.
Election Commission.
Sanjay, please wait. Yes, Ajay Bose.
Make it very clear.
Let us get it very clear.
Election Commission.
Let us get it very clear. It is very clear that despite all these political wranglings which carry on every election, there is an election commission precisely placed as a constitutional authority to supervise these elections. That is the ultimate authority. The election commission will decide who will walk, who will run, who will hold a rally. Yeah, it is up to them. They are the final authority in this. So I would suggest that instead of all this political wrangling, political parties can try and do anything in their election. But precisely that is why there is an election commission. So I don't think that we should get diverted about who this meh tu can continue. Everybody will say that you are wrong, I am right. But the point is that the election commission has to be respected because in this case it is the final authority. And any disrespect shown to the election commission is a disrespect shown to the Indian constitution.
Okay, let's go across to Shahid Siddiqui on the same thing. The point that's being raised by Ajay Bose there is the BJP disrespecting the Election Commission then. Let me just read out from Mr. Arun Jaitley's letter, which one of 4 that he's written to the EC today, where he says, I regret I have not received any response, oral or written, from the Election Commission. Is the Election Commission acquiescing to this conduct of the returning officer? Is the BJP questioning the Election Commission then, Mr. Shahid Siddiqui?
Thank you very much for realizing that there are other people in the debate, because debate seems to be between just 2 political parties. Now, the issue is not just the election commission. You see, we see in every election that administration sometimes make wrong decisions. Election commission pulls up the administration. It is the job of the election commission to pull up the administration. And here we see a candidate is not being allowed to hold his rallies, while there was no program of Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Till this morning, we were told that if he goes, that's very secret. Nobody knows. Even their, spokesperson didn't know that Rahul Gandhi will be going to Varanasi till this morning. And suddenly, all the plans of Rahul Gandhi are allowed, permissions are given, but in case of the candidate, there are problems after problems. And in such a situation, it is very natural that the motives of the administration will be questioned. And this is not the first time. In every election, motives of the administration are questioned. And many times, the election commission removes the returning officer. As in the midst of an election, returning officers are changed. And here, if the returning officer is not...
It is up to the election commission.
Well, Ajay Bose, Sanjay Jha, I have a counter to you. Shahid Siddiqui,
yes,
please listen to them.
Yes,
Ajay Bose first and then Sanjay Jha.
Election commission. Therefore, nobody should question the election commission. But at the same time, every party and every candidate has the right to question the administration and raise the issues.
Yeah, absolutely.
No.
Absolutely.
But
absolutely.
Ajay Bose, okay, we'll come back to you, Ajay Bose. Kamal Farooqui, the question is, one side is saying that the EC cannot be questioned, which is fair enough. But as we just heard from Shahid Siddiqui there, when it comes down to the bottom line, it is the candidate who is not being allowed to campaign in his own constituency. Would that happen anywhere else? Would it ever happen that Rahul Gandhi finds that he's not able to hold rallies in Amethi? Would that ever happen?
First of all, I am very surprised that you call the people to sit there for half an hour and you don't give the time. That's very unfortunate. Now, the other thing is that I'm not surprised with this kind of attitude of Mr. Modi, because this has been going on for the last several days. The build-up was there against the Commission, and he was making all sorts of remarks against the Commission. I personally feel that we must respect Commission, and Commission is fully
Mr. Kamal Farooqi, why do you see only the BJP questioning the Election Commission? Why don't you talk about the Samajwadi Party and also the Congress questioning the Election Commission in the past? All political parties have questioned the Election Commission at various phases across these elections. So it is unfair of you to just point out the BJP.
Listen, please.
Yes, Mr. Farooqi.
Would you allow me to talk?
Go ahead.
Would you allow me to talk, or you would keep? Would you allow me to talk, or you would keep on?
Go ahead, Mr.
What
Farooqi.
is this?
Go ahead, Mr.
What is this? You are trying to
Go ahead, Mr.
cow down me.
Farooqi. Go ahead, Mr. Farooqi.
I am not defending. I am not for any political party. I am defending Commission. I am pretty sure that they will take a right decision. Why to create this kind of halla gulla? The Commission is fully empowered, and we cannot say that the Commission is biased against BJP or Congress or anybody else. But this has been building up for the last several days. They have been talking. Every party is trying to malign the Election Commission, which is not fair. It's absolutely not fair.
No, but the question is not the Election Commission here. It's the local administrator, the returning officer, who the BJP have an issue with, and they have taken that complaint to the Election Commission.
And there is no local administration. By the way, there is no local administration which will be administered by the local government. It will be the Election Commission.
Correct. That is what is officially going to happen.
Under the law.
The allegation is there is a tacit understanding. The allegation is there is a gentle nudge unofficially that's been given, and that is why unwritten intelligence reports are being quoted. Unpresented issues are being raised which are not documented yet. As we have entered the debate, there is no documentation about the intelligence reports and the threat perceptions. It's all talk based on which certain decisions have been taken. Is that fair?
Then why are we trying to malign Commission at this particular
Who's maligning the Commission?
They have conducted entire election.
We are questioning the returning officer, the local administration, and whether or not there is a connivance with the state government there, because security, law and order is a state issue.
But the returning my dear friend, the returning officer is under the Commission, not under the local government.
Yes, which is exactly why Mr. Jaitley has actually written in his letter. He is questioning why there has been no response from the Election Commission. Meenakshi Lekhi, let's get your take on that. The debate is veering off into a direction of whether or not the BJP is insulting or questioning the Election Commission.
Why should we let me say we have faith in Election Commission, and it is for this reason. It is for this reason we have written to Election Commission that these are the acts of local administration, from rigging to this kind of sabotage being enacted by a district magistrate named Pranjal Yadav. Quite clearly, the Yadav lobby is working contrary to the law of the land, and this particular lobby has been prefixed by the SP government, which was in local administration, continues to be in local administration, and only temporarily the administration works under Election Commission. Right now, it is the duty of Election Commission to act tough against such appointed people. And
here's the problem, Meenakshi Lekhi. Here's the problem, Meenakshi Lekhi. Suddenly, from having an issue with an individual.
Allow me one line.
No, please. I have to take exception to what you just said, Ms. Lekhi. You have suddenly changed the entire paradigm, and you have said that it is a Yadav lobby. Till now, the issue was with the returning officer in the position of the district magistrate, and now you have suddenly turned the dimension to saying it's a Yadav lobby that's conniving. Now, is it fair to make these allegations without
we have a caste
I'll tell you.
There's a caste angle.
I will suggest that kindly pick up the reports as to how, just short of election, certain key appointments were made by the local administration, and it will be very clear what I am saying has substance. And when Mr. Farooqi
you didn't have a problem with the district magistrate, Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi, till this issue of the 3 events happened with Mr. Narendra Modi.
No. Before that, obviously, I have no proof. How can I just speak against anybody because he's a Yadav?
Correct.
I'm just suggesting, kindly pick up the appointments
which
then
have
why are you
happened
making an
prior to
allegation?
announcement of
Meenakshi,
election,
you are contradicting
around that,
yourself.
it is.
You have no
it
proof
is,
and you are
it
making
is.
wild
I
allegations.
am not contradicting.
What?
I am
I mean,
not
that's
contradicting
absurd.
Mr. Jha.
That's ridiculous.
I am
You are.
not. If you
say you have no
allow
proof
one more
and you are
line,
making
it
a
will be
political
clear to you.
statement.
You can
You are
please
making a
rant.
political
you
statement.
can go ahead.
You are
can go
denigrating
ahead
the election
and
commission.
make your decision
Just
and
like your
judgment.
BJP
I will-
prime ministerial
I
candidate.
am not
It's
denigrating.
shameful.
I am
think
not
this is an
denigrating.
insult of
and I'm
Indian
not,
democracy.
I don't hold.
This is an
I
insult
don't
of
Right.
hold.
democracy.
Mr. Sanjay
by
Jha,
BJP.
allow Ms.
Go
Meenakshi
ahead.
Lekhi to
And you're
complete,
doing
This
please.
is an insult
And you're
of
I know you want to make a
democracy.
political point and
This
score some
is
political
an
points here,
insult of
but let
democracy
Meenakshi
that
Lekhi complete
a
what she wanted to say, and then
prime
I'll come back to you.
ministerial candidate in his own constituency, a prime ministerial candidate in his own constituency cannot campaign even for 3 programs. Nothing can be a bigger insult to democracy.
here's the
than that.
issue.
And had SP not acted this way,
Ms.
it would
Meenakshi
have
Lekhi,
been a surprise.
here's
And I
another
think that is
issue
what Mr.
with what
Farooqi
you're
said.
saying. You've said it right here at the top of the news hub, and I asked you this question that when the permissions were on the
give me
verge
a
of being
chance to
granted,
answer, please.
why did you withdraw the applications? And you said, Mr. Narendra Modi is a very busy man. We cannot wait until the nth hour for these permissions. So the question to you is, if he is going to come to Varanasi tomorrow, and he gets the permissions to, and the election commission towards the evening, or the returning officer was going to allow the events to happen, would he choose not to do the events, or would he choose to do the events somewhere else? Is this entire drama of doing the protest at 11 a.m. that will backfire? Is that why you have withdrawn the applications? Why shouldn't he hold the rallies today, tomorrow, if the permission come even at 9:30 this evening or 10 o'clock tonight? Isn't it his constituency? Isn't it important for Mr. Narendra Modi and the BJP?
No,
Isn't
I'll tell
Varanasi
you.
important? So shouldn't that be priority? That's my question to you, Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi. Please answer that.
It is a priority. I am answering. It is a priority at the stage, and everything else which needs to be built requires certain adequate hour and timing. The party workers need their own time. Now, if you are going to tell me to have a program, not a press conference, but a program in next 1 hour, it is impossible. You cannot. Now, you give me a permission at 10 o'clock in the morning and say, have your program at 2 o'clock or 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock. It is not workable.
Only
And for a
people of the
political
area
rally,
knows they will
you
participate.
need time. And the information needs to be given to the people that so and so is
proper
going to be
information
here.
to the people
Kindly
at large.
participate. How do you expect the logistics? And this is exactly what I'm saying. This is a sabotage game which is going on. The matter is becoming worse. The more explanations are coming, it is becoming worse that this is the manner in which they don't mind the program. They don't want strength to be shown. If it was going to be Meenakshi Lekhi's program, you think this kind of sabotage would have happened? This sabotage is happening because it is Narendra Modi, and they don't
Ajay
want
Bose,
Narendra Modi
Ajay
to
Bose,
have
you know, that's
a
the
rally
question.
in Banaras.
Ms. Lekhi, just let's bring in Ajay Bose. You were
Anand,
talking
will you
about
give
the
me a chance to
BJP
rebut,
questioning the
please?
election commission. You know, that's a separate issue. The question that Ms. Lekhi is just
No,
raised
I have a question.
Yes.
No, I have a question.
The question is,
I have a
would this
question.
happen anywhere
Yeah,
else?
I have a
You know, a
question.
candidate from one constituency not being allowed to hold
no,
rallies in his constituency. Please go ahead.
No, I have a counter question. This same district magistrate was accused by the Congress of allowing a road show by Mr. Narendra Modi, a huge road show, when many lakhs of people, on the day he filed the nomination papers. The same district magistrate, I think, was there. There's been no change in district magistrate. So at that time, this guy was okay. He wasn't a conspirator, he wasn't a terrible fellow, he wasn't a bad guy. Now suddenly, we are hanging this man without any kind of inquiry, investigation. All I'm trying to say, the BJP is perfectly within its right to appeal to the Election Commission if it feels that something wrong has been done. Of course, that is why the Election Commission is there. But till the Election Commission can take a call on this, I think it's very unfair to just make these allegations, mention that this fellow's last name is Yadav, there is a Yadav lobby. I think that's unfair. That's not proper.
Yes, Yatin Oza and Meenakshi
Can I come
Lekhi.
in, Anand? I want to make a
Sanjay,
point.
Sanjay Jha, request your patience.
I want to make a point.
Sanjay Jha, just a little patience. Meenakshi Lekhi, please wait on. Yatin Oza has been waiting to make a point for quite some time. Yes, Yatin Oza.
Yeah.
Yes, Yatin Oza.
Yes, Meenakshi never ever, as I know her, would cast any aspersions against a caste or community. Possibly what she wanted to convey was that nearby relatives were placed so as to see that there can be a sabotage and to the advantage, sabotage to the disadvantage of the others, advantage to Mulayam Singh.
What is the answer, Yatin Oza, to Ajay Bose's question?
I'm sure she will never speak
Yatin
about
Oza,
a caste
what is
or
the answer
community.
to Ajay Bose's question?
Secondly,
what is the answer to Ajay Bose's question?
yeah, I'm answering.
Yeah, let's get to that, please.
What he did on 24th was perfectly constitutional, perfectly legal. Therefore, there was nobody to question. Today, what he has done is absolutely unconstitutional, per se illegal. There was no reason, Ryan, for him
because
to
it's not
reach
in your
to such
favor?
a conclusion and forbid
Is it because it's
Mr. Modi
illegal,
from holding a
unconstitutional,
rally or
because it's not in the
election
BJP's favor?
This is brutal murder of constitution and personal liberty
Yatin Oza,
and right to campaign,
Yatin Oza,
possibly under pressure from Akhilesh Yadav's
Yatin Oza,
government.
when it is in your
Yes.
favor, it is legal and constitutional. When it is not in your favor, it is
Yes,
illegal
yes.
and unconstitutional. Is that fair?
No. That I am sorry. I am not saying that what he did in my favor is that
No, I'm
was
saying in the
legal and
BJP's favor.
constitutional.
Sorry, Mr.
He
Oza.
could have permitted it to anybody. Say even Arvind Kejriwal or Mr. Rai, anybody he could have permitted road show for filing a nomination paper. But at the same time, to say that today I am doing something illegal, look, I did something legal on 24th, today I am doing something illegal. So I did legal on 24th, so legalize my illegality today on 20th.
Miss Lekhi, your colleague is saying that, you know, what's happening right now is illegal and unconstitutional. You wanted to come in. The fact is, on paper, you know, there is a response which has come in from the district administrations. There are reasons that have been presented. How is it illegal or unconstitutional?
Possibly she would have been given clearance.
Miss Lekhi.
Because
I'll tell you something. Yes, on paper, the response is bereft of the facts. That is the whole problem. Now, if a particular candidate, forget who the candidate is, if a particular candidate has applied for permission for 3 programs, how is it that none of the 3 programs can be materialized? And a person who was not supposed to be there, his programs are getting materialized. And the announcement and everything else has come subsequently. And very simple thing, that something which was done legally correct, I have no business to criticize that man. But something which is done subsequently and which is illegal, I am going to question that. And now a particular candidate or anybody, there is a fundamental right and right to move wherever I wish to.
Yeah,
And
Meenakshi
as
Lekhi,
I'm not breaking any law, no one can stop me
Shahid
from coming
Siddiqui
to
and
BHU,
Kamal Farooqui have been
going
waiting to make some points along with Sanjay
the office of the
Jha.
BJP,
So I'm just going to ask the
and
3
from
gentlemen
there
to make
go
their
to
points.
the airport.
Please wait on
and that
Meenakshi
is my
Lekhi. Yes,
point.
Kamal Farooqui and Shahid
I want
Siddiqui.
to ask Meenakshi a very small point. A very small point from Meenakshi. You see, Mr. Narendra Modi's programs were chalked out for months together. So they must have been, it must have been very clear that he will be coming to Varanasi on these dates. And these plans should have been there. So why did they not go for permissions much earlier? Why at the very fag end? Why? Because all the other plans all over Bengal and Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, etc., were planned, permissions were taken, logistics were worked out. Why in his own constituency it was not done? It is very, very strange, and I am unable to really fathom why that happened. With Rahul Gandhi, I can understand. There was no plan. He came at the very fag end. But with Mr. Modi, plans were there. Why didn't you go for permissions earlier?
Yes, Meenakshi
No,
Lekhi.
there would be plans, and the plans can always be changed. And as long as I am supposed to disclose my plan,
But what they changed? What they changed now?
The administration, that is when
No.
I will.
Everything was disclosed. Everything was known
accordingly.
to the
They
media.
have not been changed. They have not been changed.
That is no reply.
But for
That is no reply.
security reasons, we may not disclose it.
Right.
Why didn't you
Shahid
take
Siddiqui, please wait on. Kamal Farooqui and Sanjay
Mr.
Jha have
Farooqui
points.
wants to,
Why
yes.
didn't you take
Mr.
for
Farooqui
earlier?
wants to come in. Yes, Mr. Farooqui.
Why should I announce? In
Yes.
fact, I would say, how is it
Yes.
that
Ms.
a
Lekhi,
particular person-
Ms. Lekhi, let's just get Kamal Farooqi's point in.
Please, Meenakshi. Please, Meenakshi, allow
cannot be
me.
disclosed under the law.
Please, Meenakshi, allow me.
All other programs were announced.
Please, Meenakshi, allow me.
Permission. You
I don't know.
logistics and every other
Please-
rally
please-
plan. Why
Yes,
not
Mr.
here?
Farooqui, go ahead.
This
Mr. Farooqui, go ahead.
I'm not into this. I am not into this debate whether the plan was correctly made or not. I have serious objection to what Meenakshi ji has said. That suddenly she starts calling the name of the officer. But then suddenly he will become a Muslim. Suddenly he will become a Yadav. Suddenly he will become another guy. Why are you playing this kind of politics? Well, he is the DM. If he has committed a mistake, he will be.
That is the kind of politics.
No, you are saying it so many times.
That is the kind of
Meenakshi, you have been
politics which
saying
is
it so
being
many times.
played.
Yeah, that because he's Yadav, he's.
I have been
Why
saying
should
it
you do
because
that?
the data
Why
is
should
with
you do
me.
that? Election Commission
The
is there.
data is
If he has-
with me.
if
Kindly
he has committed any
pick up the
mistake,
data
Meenakshi,
and then
if
ask
he
me.
He will definitely
Then
be
you
punished.
ask
If
me.
he has- No, but you have got no right to say like this.
Objections have
You have no
already
right
been
to say like this
taken
because you are
repeatedly.
castigating the whole commission.
Forget
Commission
it,
is taking a
forget it.
decision. Commission
I
will definitely take a
have-
decision against
I have the right
against the DM
to
if he has
question
committed any mistake.
all that
But
which
why
is
do
being
bring in
conducted
Yadav
illegally
or
in this
caste
country?
or religion? Why you bring it? That is most unfortunate.
That is the name which it is. That is the name which it is. And that is exactly what people are complaining of in Uttar Pradesh. That is how administration is
Are
run.
you questioning his motives or his caste?
Correct. Those are the questions that are standing out, Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi and Yatin Oza.
I am questioning the administration.
No.
That people are.
You have taken the debate to a different paradigm by what you have said here on the news hour, Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi. And a lot of people here on the panel don't concur with you. They don't concur with you. Please wait on. Sanjay Jha has been patient for quite a while. I'm just going to allow him a quick rebuttal. Yes, Sanjay Jha, please go ahead.
What is communal about it? What is communal about it?
Anand, I just want to make.
Casteist.
I think giving
Meenakshi,
position
just
to
give me a
people
minute,
like this
please.
is-
No, they are
Anand,
questioning
all I
the
want to
caste
make
spin
a
that you have
point
given Ms.
here
Meenakshi Lekhi, but a
is
quick,
that if you
please
follow
wait on
what
gentlemen and the
Meenakshi
ladies
Lekhi
here.
has said.
Yes, Sanjay Jha.
By religion, all those kind of things. It's not
Please.
fair.
Yes, Sanjay
I
Jha.
think
Yeah,
a question
Anand, if you
a
follow what
question
Meenakshi
here-
started with
He's not
and
a
where she's
Yadav, he's not a
ended,
Muslim, he's not
she's
a-
gone
he's a
around in
DM.
circles
He's a IAS
contradicting herself. And let me tell you, for the BJP, the larger question behind this entire theatrical stunt that they're doing is that declining electoral fortunes. They know that progressively, if Mr. Modi is blatantly playing the communal and caste card, there are serious challenges that have happened for them. They are facing an electoral rout. This is some way to create interest, appear like victims, appear like martyrs, and try and see if they can
Who's routed,
somehow
who's not,
try and
Sanjay Jha will be
win this
decided
election.
on counting day.
They are trying to insult election
Mr.
commission.
Jha is going
They
to
have
tell me
insulted
about it.
everyone. If you
Mr.
look at
Jha,
it-
the
if you
BJP's
look
allegation
at
is
it,
exactly the opposite. That it's
nothing
the
but
other
a
parties that are
desperate
fearing a
political
rout,
stunt.
which is why these roadblocks are being
Exactly.
put. You know, the Samajwadi Party's been sitting very quietly for a few minutes. So, Dr. Gupta, if I can just come back to you. You know, bottom line that's been put forward in Varanasi is that the local intelligence unit, the police report, all these things didn't come through. I asked you this in the beginning, but you dodged the question. You said that there is a report. If there is a report, where is the report? And why didn't it come out on time? When it was the 5th evening, when the BJP had gone ahead, and it's clearly written in black and white, it is the 5th evening when the BJP had requested for these rallies to be given permission. Why is it then that the district magistrate has to come forth and say that we are still awaiting reports from the local intelligence unit, from the police unit? All of this comes directly under the state government. Has there not been some kind of deliberate slowdown in procedure from the state administration?
See, first of all, let me answer Meenakshi, because I didn't like, it's very unfortunate that in the name of a caste or religion, you blame someone and put allegations. Now, once they are not happy with the administration, obviously they have complained the election commission. But that's also unfortunate because neither they believe and trust the election commission nor they trust the fair election process. Otherwise, they would have waited for the election commission and get their answer rather than a particular caste blaming them and putting allegations. It's very unfortunate because a lot of people watch the program, and this is the way we say, the communal things come up and you spoil the things out, because India people want the development. They don't want the communalism. They want the secular feeling. But this is unfortunate, I again say, that putting the name by the caste doesn't really look nice. And as far as I said, if they were not happy with the administration, as they have complained, they should have waited for the election commission rather than telling them also wrong, the administration also wrong, everyone. When that particular person was working for them, they were happy. Once the things went against them, they were very unhappy. This is a sad story. And
yes, Meenakshi
really, if you see,
Dr. Gupta, you made your point.
All the time
we're running out of time, so quick rebuttal, Meenakshi Lekhi.
Only one line. One line, Kathni or Karni mein antar nahi hona chahiye. All the bhashan that Ms. Gupta is giving right now, she should have told Akhilesh Yadav to act accordingly.
That applies to you also, and the BJP also.
Based on caste.
Meenakshi Lekhi, that applies to the BJP also.
Absolutely. Where have
because the sense one gets is, that as early as 4:35 this evening, there was feelers coming in that perhaps the permissions will be granted. And by about 7:30 or 8 o'clock, the BJP decides that they're going to withdraw all the applications. So have they decided that the protest route, the dharna route, the caste card, the victim card works better than rally and roadshow? That's the question.
Excuse me.
So are you really walking the talk?
Till 8 o'clock, till 8:30, you do not give permission and you want me to have a program tomorrow morning? When is the permission going to be granted? At 12 midnight? And then you want a program at 11 in the morning? What is it? Obviously, I have certain time frame to work and to deliver. Not till 8 o'clock.
When did you apply for the permission?
Within the legal framework. I have applied, and that is how permissions are given. I am going to give the permission because I have to apply 2 days or 3 days in advance.
Let me tell you, for the election commission, every political candidate is equal. For the election commission, every political candidate is equal.
Absolutely right.
There's no preferential
so you can't deny me permission because I happen to be BJP, and you will wait till 8 o'clock in the evening and not grant me permission.
Exactly. Ladies and gentlemen, the jury is out on who's right, who's wrong, but there are grey areas on both sides. And it's all going to boil down to what transpires from 11 a.m. onwards on Thursday in Varanasi, whether or not the BJP takes into consideration the returning officer's position or they go ahead with the protest, and what transpires, we'll wait and watch. Thank you very much to everyone, all our panelists, for joining us on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight.